Hi everyone, welcome back. Earlier today I filmed an unboxing of my latest Chanel 19C Tiffany blue item, and I did get some requests to refilm my entire Tiffany blue collection because it has changed since I filmed that video. I don't remember exactly when I filmed it, but the collection has changed, so I am refilming it now. I still have left the old video up if you are interested in seeing that, but this is what I am saying is my final collection for this Tiffany blue line. I can't see myself getting anything else because as you can tell, I already have an excessive number of items in this color. So I'm going to start with, I think I'll start with the Caviar items. So I've organized them here. So this half is all Caviar and this half is all Lambskin. So I'm going to start with kind of the item that started it all, which was this bag. And this is the medium large classic flap in Caviar leather and light gold hardware. And yeah, this was what originally drew me to the color, was this particular bag. As soon as it came in, my SA sent me pictures and I just had to have it. It's just such a gorgeous piece. It's my only medium large in my collection now because I did sell my ivory one last summer, and I just think this is the perfect color for me. So what I love most about it, and it's really hard to tell on camera because it's so hard to pick up this color, and right now I don't really have any natural light. It is later in the day now, but the stitching is like a bright Tiffany blue, and it really looks pretty against the leather. But you really have to see it in person to kind of appreciate that. So yeah, so that was my first item in this color. And I also got 3 Tiffany blue Caviar SLGs to match. So the first one I got was this classic snap card holder, and this is just the small one with no back pocket and just with the one compartment. One interesting thing about this piece is that it is made in France, and most, if not all, of my other SLGs from Chanel are not. They're either made in Spain or Italy, I believe. So I thought that was interesting. And yeah, so this is the Caviar leather again with the light gold hardware. And I also, at the same time, got this mini O case in the Caviar with the light gold hardware, and absolutely love mini O cases. I have a few of them in my collection now and use them all the time as catch-alls in my bag. So I was really happy to find this one in the same leather and hardware as my medium large. And then I also was able to find this extra large, I guess is what we call it. I don't know that that's the proper Chanel name, but anyway, the extra large zippy coin purse in, again, in the Caviar leather with light gold hardware. So this is the one with the 4 compartments instead of 3 and the back pocket. So that is my Caviar collection. So it's Caviar with light gold hardware. And then I started off the Lamb collection with this little beauty, which I found in New York City on my recent trip there and could not resist. Yeah, I love this color so much. And this is Lamb with silver hardware. So I kind of justified having the 2 bags because they are different leather, different hardware, and different sizes. The rectangular mini goes crossbody, the medium large does not. So I think they serve 2 different purposes, at least in my mind. That's how I justify it. So it's such a beautiful lambskin. The colors are slightly different, and I am going to film a comparison between these two bags, a more in-depth one. That is on my list to do because I did get that requested, but you can see that, well, I don't know if you can see on camera, but the leathers are different, right? The Caviar has that texture to it. The Lamb is more smooth. The Lamb is more matte. The Caviar has a shine to it. I find in person, the Caviar may have a tiny bit more green, although I think that depends on the lighting, because right now they're looking pretty similar to me. They both have more green than they're appearing to me on camera, but anyway, it's a beautiful little bag, and it made me fall in love with the Lamb, the Tiffany Blue Lamb. And of course, I love having sets, so then I went on the hunt for some Lamb SLGs. I could not find any in New York. I don't think, well, as far as I know, I don't think the Tiffany Blue Lamb SLGs with the glitter hardware were sold in the US. So I did end up having to do some hunting for them. This one did come from my one of my local Chanel boutiques, the one of the ones in Toronto, and so it is the Tiffany Blue Lambskin with the glitter hardware. I'm not sure if there's a special name for that. That's just what I call it because it has glitter in it. It's like a Tiffany Blue enamel with glitter on top of it, and it is silver. The outline of it is in silver, so it does match the mini. So that was the first Lambskin SLG I found, and then I found the round coin purse, and again in the lambskin with the glitter CCs. It is so cute, and this lambskin on the SLGs especially is just so soft, and it just feels so luxurious. I just fell in love with these SLGs. And my most recent one that I unboxed today is the extra large snap card holder with the back pocket and the two sections inside, as well as the card slot there. So this, I think, will complete my Tiffany Blue collection. This has been a crazy obsession, and I do kind of feel a bit like I have too many pieces, but I love them, so I don't know, I justify it because it's just my all-time favorite color, and I really love having sets like this. So anyway, let me know what you think. I am saying now officially that my Tiffany Blue collection has closed and I won't be adding any more pieces. So I felt like it was a good time to film this and actually say it so that I can't let myself add anything else. Anyway, I'm going to end the video there. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day.